Bet you didn't think you'd see the start of the video like this, did ya?
Help! We're trapped in a box!
Well, we got some bad weather coming our way, and with bad weather, that means you guys get some different kind of fun. We're not flying a jet today, we're not flying 3D planes, we're not hitting the trails, although we probably could have done like a nighttime trail today. We're going to do a fun mystery unboxing with you guys. Now what's cool about this is it's kind of like a sneak peek into the future of our channel. Let's hope everything runs the way it's supposed to, because by us showing you guys these, we are committing to these things are coming to the channel. So we're going to do an unboxing.
We have a pretty good idea of what all this stuff is, especially if it says it on the outside of the box. But sometimes it takes so long to get here from the slow boat from China that we just forget.
Yeah.
So that's a surprise for us.
We queue up those orders and here they are. So what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things to do a mystery unboxing of with you guys. Look at that, shrouded in dark plastic.
All right, let's clear the table and start.
You guys get to hang out with Popeye too. It's been a while since he's been hanging out on the channel. We love him and play with him all day long. He gets TREATS all the time. I can't say it or he gets excited.
WALKS?
Yeah, he's a smart little guy. And we still play RCs with him, but it's more in the backyard. And he'll have fun. We'll do micro drones like FPV race drones and stuff this winter. That'll be a good time. But anyway, shout out to Stan. Thank you for the new knife. I have not used this knife yet. Lock it in place. And I wanted to show you guys this first because it kind of goes in hand with everything that we've been doing on the channel lately. A lot of planes. It's a big box. You guys should be able to guess what's in here, I hope. So this will be a lot of fun. And then also, one other person I give a shout out to is my buddy Dan, which also happens to be a Patreon family member. He is actually the only person that knows, or at least has a hint of, what is in here. I've been talking to him about this. And the cool thing about our Patreon support is you get some really cool behind the scenes exclusive looks at things, especially if you're on our top tier of Patreon support. We like to chat it up and text with you guys from anything regarding what's to come on the channel, what's our favorite thing to fly right now. We give advice on whatever questions you might have about the hobby.
I just realized the noise monitor has been going this whole time.
Sorry about that white noise. Got that turned down, and you guys,
you can hear us.
You're gonna like this. By the way, Stan, that is a sharp knife. It looks good, and it's really sharp. Yeah, this is gonna be sweet. Now, to those of you
that
don't
know what it is,
our ground vehicle guys are going to be happy with all the rest of the boxes, I think. Look at that. Look at that. You guys know what that is? That is now my biggest EDF jet. That is a 70 millimeter. It's got flaps. It flies on 6S power, flaps and rudder control, retract landing gear. It actually comes in at a really good price. You'd be surprised. Of course, the battery cost is going to make up the difference of the price.
This will be Nate's first time ever
with a 6S
flying on
anyway.
6S.
Yeah, I don't own anything 6S until now. This looks amazing, and to me it kind of looks officially like an RC-Saylor jet. Doesn't it look like a branded RC-Saylor vehicle? It's so awesome. When we put our stickers on there, it will look actually official. All the stuff that we're going to unbox, we're going to link in the description box below. You guys check it out. And just know that if you hit one of those links, you plan on buying something while you're at the store, you're actually supporting our channel a lot. We appreciate the support. Okay, I think you should do this one. That's one of the biggest truck boxes we've gotten ever. Do you want the stand knife?
Please, sure.
It's very sharp, very sharp.
Remember when we used to say everything was sharp?
That's a sharp car.
I miss those days.
Me too.
We should say that again. That's sharp.
We even talked about making that into a shirt or something.
We don't say it anymore.
Nah.
Why did we stop saying that?
Oh wow, isn't that nice though? The lock is on the inside of it. So you're probably still going to need to cut into the
figure out
box.
which is the best way to approach this.
I think
Looks
you're
like
looking at it. Yeah. All right, teamwork here. Pull this out of here. I'll get the phone. You get the box. Oi, 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 oh. I like that.
I like it already.
Yeah.
I claim it. It's mine.
That's yours. That's heavy.
I'm gonna hit you guys maybe.
Wow.
I didn't hit you.
Oops, something fell.
You know what
Battery.
this needs? It needs like those stickers that say like zombie slayer.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Like an apocalypse.
There, they haven't
truck.
really seen it yet. Look at that,
Ready
guys.
to go.
Let me tell you, this is one of the heaviest here. Did you hold that?
No. I mean, I held the box.
Look how heavy
It is
that is.
heavy.
That's a rig full of metal. Wow. Wow. Oh, you're gonna take it out of the phone too.
Yeah.
She likes it. Don't want to go to the hospital tonight. Oh man, that looks really good. Wow.
It even says Land Rover.
Look at this. That's what the battery hatch
I don't even know what just happened.
The battery hatch. Oh, that's helped done with magnets. Wow. Yeah.
There's a spot for your wheel. Hold on, does this back open?
Pretty sure like some Barbies could fit in there. That is huge.
Yeah, this opens.
Let's take it out of the phone. Will it come or is it tied down? There we go. So this is just going to turn into a video about this truck, isn't it?
There's
Spare tire.
Spare tire in his
Yeah.
But you said the doors open?
Yeah.
Shoot, they do.
And there's stickers holding them
Yeah.
on. So.
That is
Ooh.
cool.
Okay, so is this cooler than the Jet, or is the Jet cooler than this?
This is pretty cool.
This is
like,
sweet.
This looks like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This looks
There's
like a
metal.
legit truck on the inside, like a legit.
When I was looking at this
car.
online, it did not look like
No.
this. It didn't look this good quality.
This is really stinking heavy.
It's a crawler too. Keep that in mind.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta fit some characters in here, like
Look.
stormtroopers. Something has to go
Look
inside.
at this like window right here that's begging for some lights. Oh my gosh.
Oh, could you imagine putting internal lights in there to like glow the inside? We are young. Right? Is that it? Yeah.
Office reference, kind of.
Man, that's cool, Abby. I don't know if I want to move on to the rest of the stuff. We started strong. We are off to a good start.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to get any better than these two.
Now, want to give you guys a heads up. We're planning on doing a budget RC truck week on the channel. All right, so get ready for that. An entire week of just budget-friendly trucks. We'll have a price point set for you to let you know what everything will be under. So we have neglected our truck guys for a while. Not anymore.
All right, 4 more things left to open.
Let's
We
do it.
gotta
All right.
Clear some space here.
I think I can do this. I know what this is. These things are great. But I think, oh yeah, nice. It's the different body style. We saw that. That looks like a little Toyota pickup truck.
Cool.
Look at that. So we recently featured this on the channel. You guys really liked it. I mean, the price is just a little bit high, but that's because the quality is surprisingly good for this truck. I think what we should do is take this out with the other one and run them together.
That would be cool.
Yeah. So crawling videos coming up. Man, I love crawlers so much. That means you get the next box. Be so careful. Be so good. Gave us a sharp knife stand. That's all 4WD.
So it's truck.
Oh yeah. I don't think we have a couple drones on the way, but I don't think any of these are the drones. Which one is this? I think I recognize it as long as the box markings are right. Which one is it? The monster truck or the buggy? Can you remember? See that, guys? There's a monster truck and a buggy on there. A little bit of tape to cut through. Nope, that one's good.
The whole box is crushed.
This is the savings. You guys get an absolutely destroyed box, and I mean this is how stuff comes at our house too. You know, it's not like stuff is shipped here in a metal box just because we have a YouTube channel or something. Okay.
Trucky.
Yeah. What'd I say? Monster truck?
Trucky.
Well, it kind of does look like a monster truck on this. That looks good. Yeah, I like that. I think if I remember right too, the price on this was good. TheRcSaylors brand. It looks good.
I like it.
10th scale. Probably gonna have speed test on this one.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
gonna be fun. That's mine.
Cool. That means the next two are mine. Because so far I only have the Jet. You got the cool ground vehicles.
You can have the
baby
18
crawler?
scale.
I'm fine with that. And the Jet. Let's see what I got going on in this box. It's got to be another truck, right?
It looks like a truck.
about that size. Whew.
Yeah, cuts through it like butter.
Like butter. That's exactly what I was thinking too. Oh, did you order this? Because I don't remember ordering that. Holy
You don't know what I spend my money on.
Oh man, did you know this was coming?
Yeah.
I didn't know this was coming. What? I gotta show him a close shot of this. That looks amazing. Look at this. That is sweet. Vampire Ghost. That's like a monster truck, right?
Looks like it.
Wow.
Like it has Plants vs. Zombies on it. It's like the zombie truck.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, good choice. There's the tire.
I feel like it needs bigger tires than that.
Bigger than
like,
this?
Way bigger.
True, this is
like giant tires. Like kaboom!
I'm seeing a brushed motor, so this has got to be just kind of like a nice budget basher, I'd say.
Looks fun.
Ready to run with a rechargeable battery in there. Oh, that does look like a lot of fun. You know, the RC Sailor family sticker is going to look really good on the back of that. That is sweet. Last one is yours. That was really amazing.
But this is mine, and the other one, two. How many things do I have now?
Well,
3.
the jet
Two are
doesn't.
yours.
Just the jet and the baby crawler. That's all I get.
Yep.
Well, at least I get the knife.
Last time we had this brand, we really liked it. Do you guys remember a bright green racer? Remember? Bright green racer.
Oh yeah.
It looks like my first ever Arma buggy.
About
That's what
time.
it reminds me of.
About time they start doing more
Arma
like
Raider.
this.
Do you guys remember when they made Arma Raiders? They should bring that back.
I like the Raider. I think a lot of people did. Yeah, this does look more like that, doesn't it?
Reminds me of it. It's not as long
Right.
as it was, but it's so cool.
Look at the yellow one on the box. Actually,
This one up here looks more like it than what we got. This one, you can even see that. It looks more like it than the one we got. It's yellow. Box is yellow.
no!
It's green.
But it looks cool, so I'm okay with that. That is not the color we chose, but
No.
that's okay. It's actually not even
Green and
on the
black.
box. It's none of the ones on the box.
That's weird.
That is weird.
Whatever. Still looks good
That's
though.
okay.
It doesn't look like the Arma. Looking
See,
at it in here.
Like,
It's interesting.
sometimes, you know, when you're saving $100 on a vehicle, you might get the wrong color or something.
Yep.
We're okay with that. Most of the time, we got what we ordered, but this one came as a different color. That looks a lot like the Armorita. That really does.
In a way, yes, and in a way, no.
It does. So that's obviously yours too then, right?
Yeah, I'm the buggy person. I have a very strong love for buggies.
That brings back good memories.
Look at the 2 different types of tires.
Yeah, that's what Armorita had those too. They had those inline on the front.
They did?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
Well, traditionally buggies did this.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially like on a track. That's nice.
It looks fun.
I
That'll
like
be fun.
body clips here, how that's holding on there. You guys are gonna see all these up close. Like I know we didn't get any really close shots of this unboxing, it was just kind of for fun. But you're obviously gonna see this stuff up close on the channel and bashing and racing.
Let us know in the comments below what you want to see first. Make us a list and order 1 to 6. What were you want to see?
Or even just your top 3 things.
Or your top 3 things.
We did
whatever.
some really cool stuff.
Have some fun with it. Let us know what you want to see. Brushless.
Brushless, yeah.
Sweet.
It looks awesome. Looks really cool.
Gonna be a fun time in the next few weeks on the RC Sailors.
I think like the second time we've ever done this, right?
Yeah.
The mystery unboxing.
The last time we did this, you guys liked it.
Yeah. So
That's
and it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We'll have another fun unboxing thing coming up for you. Remember RC Budget Truck Week. That means we've got more trucks that are not what you see here.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of other really cool RC planes and jets. Said it plural. So keep an eye out for that stuff. Guys, all the good stuff's linked below.
Right behind you.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!